Good morning, students. Today we will do exercise 10.4. Question number 1. Find magnitude of A cross B if vector A equal to I minus 7j plus 7k and vector B equal to 3i minus 2j plus 2k. First, you find A cross B. A cross B equal to, use determinant. The first row will be I, j, k. First row of the determinant will be I, j, k. Second row will be the scalar component of the vector A, 1 minus 7, 7. 1 minus 7, 7. Third row, the scalar component of the vector B, 3 minus 2, 2. 3 minus 2, 2. Now you expand the determinant along the first row. So I whole into, you delete this row and this column, then you will get these four numbers, minus 7, 7, minus 2, 2. So it will be minus 7 into 2 minus 2 into 7. Minus 7 into 2, minus 7 into 2 minus 2 into 7 whole into I. This is permanent minus sign. J whole into delete this row and this column, then you will get these four numbers, 1, 7, 3, 2. So you multiply like this, 1 into 2 minus 3 into 7 whole into j plus k whole into, you delete this row and this column, then you will get these four numbers here in the determinant, 1 minus 7, 3 minus 2. So 1 into minus 2, 1 into minus 2 minus 3 into minus 7. 1 into minus 2 minus 3 into minus 7 whole into k cap. So we'll get here minus 14 plus 14i minus 2 minus 21j plus minus 2 plus 21 k cap. So minus 14 plus 14 is 0, 0i minus plus 19j plus 19k. So this is A cross B vector. Now we'll find the magnitude of the vector. Magnitude of A cross B is root 0 square plus 19 square plus 19 square is root twice 19 square. Square root of 19 square is 19, so 19 root 2. Next, question number 2. Find unit vectors perpendicular to each of the vector a plus b and a minus b, where a is 3i plus 2j plus 2k and b is I plus 2j minus 2k. So first you find a plus b and a minus b vector. So a plus b is sum of the two vectors a and b. So we have got 3i plus I, 4i, 2j plus 2j, 4j plus 2k minus 2k is 0k. And a minus b is a minus b vector. So it will be minus I minus 2j plus 2k. So 3i minus I is 2i, 2j cancel, 2k plus 2k, 4k. Now you have to find unit vector perpendicular to both a plus b and a minus b. A plus b and a minus b vector. So you find the cross product of these two vectors. So cross product of these two vectors will be perpendicular to both a plus b and a minus b. So find cross product of these two vectors. So this is the cross product of the factor a plus b and a minus b, which is perpendicular to both a plus b and a minus b, and then you find n cap along this vector, and then minus n cap along this vector. So for n cap you have to find cross product of these two vectors first. So a plus b cross a minus b. The first row is ijk, second row will be 4 4 0. The scalar components are 4 4 0, and here 2 0 4. So the second row will be 4 4 0, third row 2 0 4. Now we'll expand the determinant. So I whole into 4 into 4, I whole into 4 into 4 minus 0 into 0 is 0, minus j whole into 4 into 4 minus 2 into 0 plus k whole into 4 into 0 is 0, minus 4 into 0 is 0, minus 2 into 4. So 4 4s are 16i, minus 4 4s are 16, 16 minus 0 is 16, 16j, and from here minus 2 into 4 is minus 8, minus 8k. So this is the vector a plus b cross a minus b vector. Now we'll find n cap and minus n cap. So these two are the unit vectors perpendicular to both a plus b and a minus b. Therefore, unit vector perpendicular to both a plus b and a minus b is equal to plus minus n cap. So the unit vector along this vector will be the vector divided by its magnitude. So this vector divided by its magnitude. So plus minus 16i minus 16j minus 8k divided by its magnitude, 16 square plus 16 square plus 8 square. So from numerator you take common 8, root, from this expression you can take common 8 square, then 8 square whole into 2 square plus 2 square plus 1 square, and then square root of 8 square is 8, 8 you can take it out, 8 8 cut, root 9, square root of 9 is 3, so then it will be plus minus 2 by 3i minus 2 by 3j minus 1 by 3k. So this vector is the unit vector perpendicular to both a plus b and a minus b. Question number 4. So that a minus b cross a plus b is equal to 2 into a cross b. So left hand side, a minus b cross a plus b. You just multiply these two vectors like ordinary multiplication. A into a cross a plus a cross b. Next multiply by minus b into a, minus b into a, minus b, this sign will be negative, minus b into b, then a cross a will be 0 vector because cross product of two same vectors is always 0 vector, a cross b, then minus b cross a, minus b cross a equal to a cross b because cross product is not commutative, so minus b cross a equal to a cross b. So minus b cross a is replaced by a cross b cross b is 0 vectors, so minus 0 vector, then a cross b plus a cross b is twice a cross b, so this is the right hand side.